Hello everyone, it's Morgan. It is time to pack for Las Vegas. Let's get it. I'm so excited. I leave tomorrow. I really thought this time, I really was like, this time is gonna be the time that I do not pack the day before. Then yesterday rolls around and I didn't pack. So now it is currently the day before and we're packing. Someday I'll get it, someday. Anyways, I leave tomorrow and I can't even say like I have no idea what to pack because I've been planning my outfits in my head for weeks. So hopefully this packing goes pretty smooth. I have been to Vegas once before. I'm going with a big group of friends. It's gonna be a little bit crazy. You know, it's like adult Disneyland. Isn't that what they say? Or Disney World. I think Disney World is better than Disneyland. First up, I'm just gonna start pulling things from the closet that I know what I'm gonna wear. So let's go into the walk-in closet. And then my dresses are in the closet in the other room. I need just one actually, because I recently was trying on my dresses and decided I hated them all. You know how it is, it just happens like that. But this one I want. In this closet. I know I'm literally so spoiled to have access to so many closets. I am grateful every single day. I think I have all my pieces kind of just like laid out right now on the floor. So I'm gonna put all of my outfits together and show you every single one. I am pumped. And that'll help me know if I'm missing anything. So we get there Saturday night and we leave Tuesday night. So we'll be there Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night. So 3 night outfits, but Sunday day, Monday day, Tuesday day. 3 daytime outfits. So 3 of each, wearing the same airport outfit to and from, and I'm just gonna sleep in one thing the whole time. I am checking a bag, but this suitcase actually isn't that big. It's one where it expands and collapses on the sides, and I think if it collapsed, it actually would fit as like the biggest carry-on size you could bring. But we're checking a bag, and my boyfriend and I are actually sharing this, because we are flying Spirit, which I've never flown Spirit before. So you bet I'm making that an entirely separate video. But we had to pay for our baggage, so we're just gonna split one because it is a quick trip. Planning your outfits is really good for packing light. I know we all overpack, but like, I think I'm not gonna this time. I'm really have faith in myself. Okay, this is everything except the shirt I'm wearing with these leather pants is in the dryer, so just hold for a minute. But swimsuit, I just love this orange one from Amazon. Airport outfit, okay? I always do sweatpants over like leggings or yoga pants because I get so cold. So sweatpants, a nice big hoodie, which I'm gonna wear a t-shirt underneath. And then I'm gonna bring this jacket for so many reasons, but I'm gonna wear it at the airport because like I said, I know I'm gonna be cold and then it's one less thing to pack and it's like obviously a bigger thing. I'm wearing my Converse to the airport, but they are gonna be my daytime shoe too. I'm just gonna wear heels at night. I'm not wearing heels during the day. I don't know, I don't wanna commit to that and I don't think that I have to. Daytime, okay, like I said, 3 days. So I'm gonna wear these black jeans twice. One with this tiny little cute like bra top and one with this super cute little tank top. And then I'm gonna wear these jeans once. I have this like cropped white tank top. And then if I get cold, that brown jacket totally goes with this, looks fine with this, and totally goes with this. So that'll be great. For nighttime, I'm only gonna bring 1 pair of heels. I'm not even doing like heels. I'm just doing booties because it is still kind of cold and it's nighttime. Honestly, I don't know. And I can walk best in these since my feet are like really secure in them. So we're just doing it. I don't even care. We're just doing these. I might change my mind later. I don't know. We'll see. We have that like strapless, like plain dress. And I'm bringing this button up to throw on over it because I don't know. I think it looks really cute. And again, I might be cold. So this is like, you know, might wear it, might not, we'll see. Another outfit I have is these shiny like champagne-y pants. And I'm gonna wear this corset top with it. I love it with the chains. Oh, so cute. Okay, I got the shirt. So with the leather pants, I'm wearing this bodysuit. It's 1 shoulder and then it has like these 2 things that go over your boobs. I don't really know how to describe it. You'll see it, you know, if you either follow my Instagram or if I vlog Vegas, I'm still not sure. And then I'm bringing this purse that matches everything. I am obsessed with it because it's like the whole shoulder bag or crossbody type thing. So I will be wearing this with everything. I made sure to make it match my daytime outfits too because I know it's like a dark purse. And then I'm just gonna bring a big t-shirt and then an extra pair of like loungy pants for sleeping because I'll probably get cold. There's literally sand in my suitcase from Aruba. I'm so sad. I miss it so much. Leaving my airport outfit, shoes, and my purse out. My clothes did not take up that much room because I'm doing a great job and knowing exactly what I'm gonna wear. All right, added a bunch of underwear and socks. Do we dare move on to the toiletries and the makeup and all that? Sounds a little intimidating, doesn't it? Okay, makeup is mostly packed. However, I did need to pick up a new mascara. So I have this. I need to do lip products, but I do think I want to run to the store. My lip gloss is almost out too. I never know what lip products to bring. I'm so bad at lip stuff. I don't even know. Watch, I'm gonna end up wearing the one I always wear. That's the thing. That's the thing. Okay, no, you know what I'm gonna do? This is gonna be smart. I'm gonna not repurchase the lip gloss that I love just yet because it's gonna force me to maybe try out some new combinations in Vegas. And why not? Like, I don't know, just try it out. If I don't like it, I don't like it. I do need concealer because I'm almost out of concealer. Let's pull toiletries and then run to the store. I really just packed everything only to dump it out again because I wanted to talk you through it. So these makeup erasers, you need these in your life, especially for traveling. Like, I don't have to bring makeup wipes that I don't like. I don't have to bring a liquid container of micellar water. Like, these are just literally perfect. All you do is get them wet and take your makeup off. So I'm gonna pack these like with my clothes since they're like towels kind of. I love this toiletry case because there's a bottom section. We don't have a travel toothpaste, so I just grabbed the whole thing because whatever. And yes, I'm packing my toothbrush now because I'm staying at my dad's house tonight because it's closer to the airport and I have a toothbrush there, so I can pack my toothbrush now, which is great. One less thing to worry about. But I'm probably gonna curl my hair, travel hairspray. We need sunscreen during the day, so I'm gonna bring a face and a body. I have a travel size of this, which is great. Need deodorant, amazing. Lotion, perfect. I'm just gonna fit as much as I can in the bottom right now. Oh, that actually fits a lot. That fits way more than I thought. And then I'm bringing this. It's like a summer's eve refreshing spray. I was gonna bring my First Aid Beauty Moisturizer, but this one is smaller, like just kind of fits better in this, so I'm gonna bring my Good Molecules one instead. And then of course a razor and then this little thing. And I am not washing my hair there, but I did put my facial cleanser in this so I don't have to bring the whole thing. And then I grabbed these for my boyfriend because I'm not washing my hair, but he probably will. And whenever I stay at a hotel, I always grab these and go. I don't care if that sounds cheap. It's smart for when you're traveling. Then you never have to buy travel size shampoo and conditioner and a hairbrush. Amazing. I almost forgot safety pins. I really need to bring safety pins for one of the waists for one of my pants, but who knows? Outfit malfunctions, you just never know. So I'm gonna bring a bunch in case other girls might need them as well. And let's run to the store. I made a list. I only need a few things. My cleanser's almost out that I just put in my travel container, so I'm gonna grab another one. And then I really just need concealer. Wait, also can't forget a curling iron. Okay, now I think we can go to the store. Target is out of so much. Dang, that was really just not the best trip. Target was out of so much. I grabbed eye patches because I'll want these at some time while I'm there. I remembered I should probably grab bandaids. I asked on my Instagram story, like things that are a necessity, and someone said bandaids, and I was like, oh my gosh, you're right. Last year I literally almost lost a foot and needed a billion bandaids. And then I refilled my cleanser, which is literally just for at home, but I didn't get concealer. I wanted to get disposable face masks, but they were like 10 bucks for not a lot of them. I didn't know they were so expensive. I just like, do I really go all the way to Ulta? Like I want to, but I also do not want to at all. I do not want to go. I'm gonna go. Okay. Apparently they were out of basically all their shades of the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind as well, so I kept looking online. I always just Google like best drugstore concealer or something like that, and one recommended for dry skin was the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer, hyaluronic creamy concealer. I don't know, we'll try it, we'll see how it is. I'll add my concealer to my makeup thing, and band-aids, great, and then this mask I'm gonna throw in here as well. The rest I want to pack is more like electronics and like things that are gonna go in my personal items, so I'm gonna like work out, shower, like self-tan, get some stuff done, and then come back and pack the rest. The rest of the day yesterday was just kind of crazy, but this is where we're at. So when we left off, I packed everything and then we just added like my boyfriend's clothes, so that's what's in there. And then, you know, these were all packed as well. I am gonna bring my tripod just in case, curling iron and some of his toiletries. Yesterday I ended up packing all of my jewelry in these little Ana Luisa velvety cases, so that was nice just to separate some. I threw in some Pedialyte, and then I also am bringing these de-bloat packets from this brand. Just because, you know, you're gonna be drinking, I'm gonna be bloated, and I'm gonna want a little assistance if I can have it. So these things are just gonna kind of all chill in here. And we're good to go. But this is good to get zipped all up, which is exciting. And And then I grabbed my neck pillow, of course, and this is my personal item. So this is the base backpack, and it opens up really nice like this. So we have these zipper pockets on the inside of the front. So I have some chargers, my camera charger, bandaids, a portable charger, and then I put my wallet on the inside front just because I didn't want it on the front pocket, which I'll show you in a second. Tampons, ibuprofen, amazing. And then when we weighed the suitcase yesterday, it was actually 3 pounds over. So I took my shoes out of the suitcase. So my little booties are here, and then I am gonna bring these for the pool because we will go to the pool. Purse, my little tripods. That's all I have for that. I will definitely be bringing this water bottle as well. This is everything that will go just in the front pocket. So I have 2 sunglasses and a pair of blue light glasses. I'll just throw in here my Apple Pencil because I will be bringing my iPad, and then a regular pen just, you know, cause. Lip products, very important. I'll put them in this little pocket. Hand sanitizer, headphones, a sleeping mask because I am going to try to take a nap, and then obviously a regular mask. This will probably be in like my pocket the whole time, but I'm just going to put it in the front for now. And my water bottle will go right in the side. And lastly, the back padded pocket, I'll just throw my iPad in here because I'm not bringing my computer, because if I bring my computer, I'm gonna try to get work done and I don't need to be doing that. All packed and ready to go. That was actually one of the easiest suitcase zips I've ever done. But the trip is short and we're flying Spirit and you can only do 40 pounds in your suitcase, not 50. And yesterday I weighed it and it was 43. So I did a little rearranging, you know, with my shoes and everything. So I think we're good to go. I am going to wash off the rest of my self-tan, put on my airport outfit, and head out. So the packing is done. The packing is over. I'm very excited. Thank you so much for watching. I will be doing more vlogs, so stay tuned, including an airport vlog because I've never flown Spirit before. So I'm ready to take in the full experience. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe on your way out and I'll see you in my next one.